Hi, I'm Joe. I compose music sometimes, but there are other people who also want to compose music sometimes. If you're one of those people, great. I hope these quick notes help you on your journey to compose music sometimes. Today we're venturing to the dark side of music. If we want to write something that sounds good, we have to know what sounds really, really bad. The Picardy Third is a mode mixture technique, introduced in the Baroque period. The piece starts in minor, and ends on a parallel major chord. Now I know what you may be thinking. Joe, that sounds fine, it resolves in everything. Well, does it? Ignore the major-minor happy-sad comparison. That's for another day. It is time again to consult the magical music clock. On this particular clock, the left side is flatter, while the right side is sharper. Let's take the chords and place them on the clock. Look at what the major third does! The piece hasn't resolved at all! There's still more to write. How do we fix this? Luckily, I have a few answers. Continue the piece with a new phrase. Here's one of mine. If you want the piece to end, how about a tiny phrase in major, then fizzle out. For an even quicker ending, buffer with a suspended chord. Even quicker, just make it a minor chord. Picardy Third sound bad! Wait a minute! You're using all of this thinly veiled anecdotal evidence and shoddy rules to declare sounds good and bad. You're picking an arbitrary set of chords and using arbitrary solutions. What's the point of all of this? Can't people just explore on their own without someone with slightly more skill bashing their so-called mistakes? Oh. Music has wiggle room. Everyone likes different things, and looks for different things in music. Maybe you enjoy Picardy Thirds. Maybe you don't even know what Picardy Thirds are. What we do know is anyone can use them. And I also hate them. Thank you for watching this video, and always remember, stay safe and stay hydrated.